Hi, I'm David Cheng. In the next few minutes, I will explain the rationale of my action research project, talk about the literature I found on the subject, explain the process of my action research, and my hopes for the future of collaborative course design. The rationale for my action research project came about when I remembered my experiences as an undergraduate student. The online and hybrid courses designed by the faculty didn't seem to be high quality courses. Afterwards, I went to work as a course technician and I transferred courses from one learning management system to another. I could see a big difference in the quality of some of the courses. So what is quality when it comes to online courses? I will refer to this as quality assurance. Quality assurance is the process of monitoring and evaluating something, a process or product, for example, to make sure it meets the minimum of its expected quality. In the case of online courses, you probably expect it to be as good as a traditional classroom or better. I later determined that an instructional design team designed the high quality courses. So my question was, are courses designed by instructional design teams of better quality compared to courses designed by faculty alone? And if they are, then is it because of the collaborative efforts of that team? So what is an instructional design team? This is where a group of professionals, such as an instructional designer, a web designer, a librarian, a media producer, and a subject matter expert, do a collaborative effort to design a course. The bare minimum of this kind of team is an instructional designer and a subject matter expert. The literature I found covered many of the issues, but never connected the dots when it came to implementing an instructional design team to help subject matter experts raise the quality of the courses, instead of the subject matter expert having to learn instructional design and pedagogy. One of the journals has the same subject, but in the point of view of just an instructional designer and a subject matter expert. I determined that including some other professionals to the team raised the quality of online courses even more. In instructional design, reviewing and evaluating your work is essential because the designer usually doesn't participate in the courses that they design. They must get some form of feedback from a fellow designer to get a better perspective of the course's effectiveness. Tunnel vision is a big detriment for this line of work. Getting help and feedback from other technical staff raises the design value of the course. To prepare for my action research project, I analyzed the need for it, finding institutions that had the problem and others that had found solutions for it. I designed an experiment to compare the quality of online courses designed by faculty and by instructional design teams. I developed a tracking sheet to use a modified version of the Quality Matters rubric on a group of courses. The rubric was not used before in the design of either faculty or instructional design courses. I implemented the study, carefully examining each course. I evaluated the results, finding that instructional design team courses scored much higher than faculty design courses. These experiments do not put into account the gain of experience of either party. Based on the data, expert opinions, and scientific literature, it can be determined that it is much more likely that a team of instructional designers and auxiliary staff will develop good quality online courses compared to single faculty designing their courses, even if they are technically competent. I hope that in the near future, institutions of higher education can better decide and understand the benefits of building an instructional design team to raise the quality of their online courses. This is because designing an online course is not the same as being comfortable with technology or the subject matter. It is an effort to deliver a good quality experience of learning. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.